VisionAutoworks here with a Honda Civic 8th generation sedan headlight package finished up today. These were built on brand new Eagle Eyes headlights. These are really great quality OEM replica headlights. Now the customer wanted a really just OEM look, no unnecessary frills or cosmetic modifications here. So everything was left stock as is, OE style. Of course, we did a projector retrofit here. This is the Morimoto Mini H1 8.0 by Xenon projectors with the mini Gatling Gun shrouds. Now we're going to cut the HID system on. We have our test demo or test ballast here. It's a Denso ballast, but the complete package will come with a Morimoto HID kit, which does include a set of bulbs, a set of ballasts, and a relay harness to take care of the wiring. So these are the lights lit up. Nice clean OEM look. Exactly what the customer wanted here. You can order a package like this on our website, VisionAutoworks.com. We have headlight package available for this vehicle, and you can also customize your package by adding LED modifications, cosmetic modifications to your liking. If you have any other questions, you can reach us by phone, email, or text. Our contact information is on the website. Thanks.